Hey guys, and this is going to be our first vlog, and this is going to be our fifth video today, and yeah, so this is my scruffy bedroom. Grace White would play with the dolls. Yeah. Teeth defenders. Nope. The lily.
Today
Look
we're
at that
going to
flamingo. Today we're going to show
around
the
the house.
Yeah.
Her Grace's house.
Yeah, my house. Makeup room. With a mirror. Yay. Hello. You can't see me. Okay. Now you can see me.
Sorry, I was gone.
Yeah. Where did you go? Where did you go?
Peace. Share the love.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
Share the love with if the share loves watching it.
Oh yeah, leave a like as well.
Yeah, even like with the share of love.
Okay, what was those eyes? This. Yeah. Look at that flamingo. Look at it flamingo. Oh, cool. The flower's dead.
It's not.
Is it? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see?
Look.
Oh yeah, it's so pretty. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yay, now.
Okay, let's do that. Let's go. And we did explain it.